is up, guys? Today in this video I'm gonna be teaching y'all something. I did not know how to put the throttle cable in my carburetor, which is a Nibby carburetor. It's an upgraded aftermarket carburetor, and I just put it on the mini bike because who cares. So first, what you want to do is you want to take your throttle cable out and stuff. In order to do that, you gotta unscrew this. There should be a spring. You're gonna need this spring, don't lose it. And then you wanna take this piece out. This is for your throttle cable to hook onto. Okay, I'm gonna put this down right here. So when you're putting this on, you're gonna want this piece first. You're gonna put the throttle cable in. You're gonna want to stuff this into this rubber piece. Then you got your throttle cable. You're gonna want to put the spring in. Then after you put the spring in, there's this white piece. You're gonna need that white piece. Put the throttle cable in the white piece. Then here, just put it in right there. Might take a wow. Okay, so it might take a couple tries when you're trying to do it, because it's sure enough gonna take me a couple tries. Okay, there's that. Bam. This piece, don't drop this. Bam, it should look like this. Alright, when you got everything set, looks tight and everything, there's notches in the carburetor. I'll bring y'all closer. There's notches in there. There you go. There's notches in the carburetor. That lines up with it. So you want to line it up. It should go all the way down there. Then you want to not cross thread this and just screw this on. And then bam, you have this on. And then if you have an air filter, I'd recommend putting that on, because my luck, I'd get a stick stuck in there. Okay, let's screw this. Alright, once you got all this set, you're going to want to start the bike up. And you're going to adjust this, because I have to adjust this. This is the idle. If you want the idle more, if you want it to idle up, twist to the right. If you want it to idle down, twist to the left. Right here is the choke. Pull it up. You should feel a click. Push it down if you want to choke off. That should be it. So let's get to testing, and let's see if this throttle cable will hold up. So I'm not including the audio for legal purposes, so enjoy the music. Officer gave me a warning, which is not good, but not bad. So this might be the end of the YouTube career, but guess what? A wise man once said, never back down, never give up. So we will continue. So let's get it. Let's see what this thing can do with a new throttle cable. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. Have a beautiful rest of your day.